Well, budgettravelerchris.com welcomes you to the Malecón. Some guys going on here, working pretty hard. They're fixing up the Malecón here. It's a little loud, so I have to yell here. Right beside the Devil's Bar here. Got some people waving here, and this is what they're doing. They're doing the new inlay in the Puerto Vallarta Malecón, which is under construction right now. And you can see the guys in action here. Oh, look at that. That's how they place the rocks in here. This is how they do it. They place the rocks in here. Say hola to YouTube, everybody. Hola to YouTube. ¿Cómo se llama? Oscar. And ¿y tú?
Brian.
Sí, mucho gusto. And mucho trabajo. ¿Cuántos horas aquí? For una
Día.
Una día? Okay. Hey, amigos. It's my new amigo, Giles. Hola, Giles. And Christopher. Mucho bueno.
Brian.
And Brian. Mucho gusto, Brian. Give me some thumbs up. And this is how they do it. They're finishing the concrete inlay here. This is how they fix the Malecón. And we got some big waves that might even crash over in the back of the video for you. Because, oh, here comes some more concrete. How do we say concrete in Espanol, Giles? Concrete.
Concreto.
Concreto? Concreto. So más concreto from, ¿cómo se llama? Chris? Chris también?
Luis.
Oh, Luis. My ears are no bueno. Too much loud musica and loud noises like that. So Luis is bringing the more concreto, más concreto. Mucho bueno.
Look at this black concrete.
And we're going to look at the, you're going to show me the black concrete. Okay. We're going to go back and take a look at some black concrete. Oh. And, oh, here, be careful you don't trip. I just tripped over an inlay here. Oh, the black concrete. Oh, yeah. That looks really nice, eh? So they're making it differente this year, eh? And more of an improvement after the hurricane destroyed it, eh?
Only color.
Only the color. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Well, it'd be very nice. And the new dirt's in here.
Look at this.
Yeah, give me the tour. Give me like a 2-minute tour. I just cleared some memories so we can make a little more video. The other video got cut off. And explain everything for everybody on the YouTube, okay? Explain the process. And ¿cuántos días to make this here? ¿Cuántos días to make una implant? What do you call it, an implant? It's 2 days, eh? And they work all night long, right? Yeah, all through the night they work here. Full time. Full time, yeah.
Yes, I got it.
And that's your shirt store? Yeah. And what's your name for YouTube?
Jerry.
This is Jerry at the shirt store here. Say hola, Jerry, to the world. Come see Jerry for a shirt. And next to the Devil's Bar here. And over here he's showing me another inlay. And that's another inlay you got here. Mucho bueno. That's a finished job. And then over here is where they're mixing up the concreto. Hey, let's go see that, where they're mixing the concreto. You guys ready? And what's his name on the concrete?
Ivan.
Ivan, okay. Hola, Ivan. Me llamas Chris. Mucho gusto. Nice to meet you. Sí, mucho trabajo, eh? And that's in the concrete, you go through a lot of concrete here. And there's the color. There's the color for the concrete.
For the concrete black.
And you put in the powder in there. You want to show me how you put it in? It's not colored, this concrete, yeah. But you shake it in. And it's a powder.
For the black concrete?
And it's a powder, right?
Three.
Yeah, and that's the color. That's how they color the concrete. And then over here, we have all the supplies. We got all the supplies that they need here. And quantas implants does this make here?
This is cemento.
Cemento. And cuánto cemento for esta? Muchas más?
For the $1 for this,
Yeah.
it's the cemento.
Two cemento bolsas?
Yeah.
Yeah.
For this bottle,
See?
it's a 6.
Sit. Oh yeah. And the gravel. So yeah, you mix the cemento with the sand and the gravel.
And water.
And the water. And the ratio is tres, dos, uno.
Yeah.
It's tres sand, dos gravel, and uno cemento.
No. Cemento.
Two cemento.
That's 6 bottles.
So two cemento and seis gravel?
Yeah.
Oh really?
The arenas son hasta 4.
Oh wow. Okay, different mix. In Canada we use 3 gravel, 2 sand, and 1 cement. Yeah. But here we use different. And they use the dirt too?
Yeah, this concrete is very resistant.
Oh yeah, right. Very strong, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah. Because of the big waves here from the ocean here, the big waves are like crashing up. Yeah. It's very difficult. And the seawater on there too. Hola, ¿cómo estás?
Carlos.
And Carlos. Carlos is going to bring me more concreto. So let's get him on the video, how they do the concreto, eh? All right, you guys work so hard. Mucho trabajo, eh? Sí, mucho bueno. I love how the Mexicans work so hard. You guys work hard. Yeah. That's how they do it, eh? Mucho bueno. Yeah, we're seeing how it works here firsthand. Now he's coming in next. Let's check him out. Let's go follow him over here. And then you'll see what he does. And this is all while all the tourists are all walking by here. You can see half the Malecón here are still covered in sand. So it's kind of it's open, but it's half cordoned off, as you can see. Because most of the inlays here, they're all set back a little bit here. So they scoop it out of the wheelbarrow, place it around, and there's the other guy coming in behind. So stay tuned, everybody, to budgettravelerchris.com. You never know where we'll be or who we'll see, and it's always a mystery. I never even know. Hope everybody's staying up to date on the newest in Puerto Vallarta from all my videos with feet on the ground here in Puerto Vallarta. Stay tuned for more new and exciting videos coming your way.